Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Better Devs. This is Johan. Today speaking. Well, last time we were reviewing how to proceed with the project that we were working on regarding the backend application, actually front end and backend application. I'm going to walk through this project. This is a built-in use Node.js and Python, a web application that lets user uploads video or images and then converts them into an animated GIF. Whether you're looking to level up your full stack skills and you're just curious to know how JavaScript and Python can work together in a real world project, you're in the right place. And well, um, certainly a beginner in this, so please get easy on me. Basically, I want to explain you how this works. The user basically accesses to the website. They will upload either a video or a group of images. I will show you how after this explanation, and then on the backend, which means on the Python script, will process every file, and finally the GIF is generated and sent back to the user for download. Actually, there is a space that it will show how it looks like, so the user can decide either whether download the video or not. Let's get dive into the code. Basically, this is the part where we import the framework Express for the website and Multer to import or to manage every file that is being uploaded. After that, we will give the code to know where the videos are and everything else. After that, we will explain how using child process to use extern or another scripts like the Python. Um, then it will make sure that the folder for results, that is where we're gonna put on the result for this. Basically, it will save it either automatically in our server and also on their client, right? So well, after that we will give the name for the index, so it will show the front end part, and after that, well, basically it's handled by Python, which basically the conversion, whether it's from a video or image, is handled by Python, a script which is called from within the Node backend. That I showed you the Python part before this. And well, whether the server starts and checks if a directory name results exist, this is where all the final GIFs will be saved. If the folder is not there, it creates it automatically. But simple, not important step to keep everything organized, alright? So on the front end, users are served and clean, simple UI from the public directory, and as it is shown right here, the public directory, they can upload either their files or either a single group of videos, multiple images. And well, basically I wanted to explain you how this process works before showing you the front end part. First, the server checks if the request actually contains file. We're looking for a multi-part form. Then Multer processes the file and saves it into the uploads folder. The file names are dynamically generated with timestamps, so we don't accidentally overwrite anything. And well, for the processing with Python now comes logic. If the user uploads the video, the backend builds a command to run the Python script with a video as an input. If the input is a group of images, it passes all those images paths to the script instead. Either way, the Python script does the heavily lifting and creates the animated GIF, call it an output GIF. Once the script finishes running, the server checks if the output file was successfully created. If the GIF exists, it's sent straight to the user for download. If something goes wrong, the server returns an error message or a code into the node mode bar for the scripts, and everything is logged for debugging. After that, well, Basically, we will save the process, let us know if there is any upload errors, file system errors, or conversion failures. As a brief recap, well, if you want to explore the code yourself, I've added the GitHub repository in the link below. And if you're interested in building something similar like this project, you could use that code for sharing in your own projects. Besides of that, this video is just the beginning. I'll dive into it with the Python script and the front end part after this. And if you found this interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next part for this series of videos of me showing you how to this basically works. And if you do have any questions, leave those questions in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching us today.